Hey guys, well, I was out here cleaning up the 914s. Just thought I'd show you 914 guys a little more on these two cars. I don't think I filmed too much of them. This one's an original paint car, 72. It's gonna need the typical restoration for these 914s. It's been a while. These are actually seized on. Sprayed some penetrating oil on those. So 72, I love the color on this one. I just threw the Riveras on it because the current rims and tires weren't holding air. Still has the nice chrome bumpers on it. This is a 73. It's not a 2.0 car. It's got the console. This has some rust issues as well. The floor pan's pretty crispy. You can see the sill area around the fenders. Somebody blacked out the bumpers. So anyway, I was just vacuuming the cars out, going over them real quick, seeing how bad they are. The door jams, the gaps are terrible. Doors don't open and close well at all. Most of the handles are broken. So Josh was sitting in the car earlier and he, of course, was digging it. And he wanted to see if it ran, and he wanted to drive it. So we'll get him back out here, we'll throw him in the car. I'll hook some juice up to this thing. Probably just squirt it with some starter fluid. See if she pops, see what she does. So I'll go grab him. Josh, fresh off his Lime Rock experience. 914 or 911? 911. 911. All right. So this one's complete. It's had some shenanigans over here. I'll show you. You know, the fuel pump's not hooked up anymore. Somebody's been in here. But the good news is a snake's been living in here, keeping all the mice away. There's some snake skin over here. Yeah, you love snakes. I know somebody that doesn't. So what do you think? You want to hook a battery up to this thing?
Yeah.
You want to drive it though, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we can't drive it. I'm sure the brakes are shot. Same thing with this one, door gaps.
You want me to try the brakes?
No. All right, let's hook her up and we'll probably just hit her with some starter fluid, Josh, and see what she does. All right, she's got a little shot of starter fluid. You didn't, hold on, let me check.
And gear.
Hold on, Josh. Let's make sure she's in neutral. All right, she's in neutral. She's got a shot of fluid. Give her the business.
I'm trying this again.
All right, shut it off.
Spray some more in.
Well, she's a runner.
No, she's not. We have to actually hear it run.
Oh, you're being a stickler, huh? Better hook up some fuel. Try one more shot of starter fluid. Is that good?
Nope.
No.
Fuel, please.
All right, I'm gonna get him some fuel. Stand by.
So do you think we put the gas in the right hose?
Go ahead, give it the business.
It's running.
She's a
runner.
It's a runner. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. All right. There you have it. She's a runner. Hold on. Hold on. So just a little backstory on the car. The guy I bought it from thought it was seized. And when we rolled it in fourth, just to check if the distributor turned, it turned. So I haven't told him she's a runner. But I will.
One thing to tell you folks, I love starting this car. This car right here.
So this is the only 914 you like?
Yeah, including racing 914s.
I didn't put any more fuel in it, you know.
And then put some fuel in it.
We're done. That's it.
No, it's not.
That's it. You're gonna kill the battery. Got no fuel. How was your driving experience?
Good. I just need to test the brakes.
All right. Good job, bud.
Thanks.
Awesome door gap. Not. Okay, well, again, the fuel pump wasn't pumping, so before I assume it's the fuel pump, let me do a quick Google search, and lo and behold, right back there, it's missing a switch. The fuel pump relay switch. The good news is I've got my other 914 that runs and drives in the other driveway there. So we're going to plug this in. Let's see if we can't get that fuel pump to come on. All right, Josh, why don't you go in and turn the key? Don't start it, just turn the key,
Yeah.
and then we'll see if the fuel pump kicks on.
All right. Because you did find the switch. Or you took it out of the other car.
That's right. Turn it one more. Didn't.
Well, I heard it start.
Yeah, I know.
The voltage. Well,
Yeah, it
that
should make
does.
a. I swear it should. Should hear the fuel pump kick on. Go ahead, try it again. I'm gonna disconnect the fuel pump line, see if she's pumping fuel. So that didn't do it for us, but if you see there's a, is that a two cord plug on the back behind those two fuses. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to do some research tonight, because this is my runner. So I'll do some research tonight and we'll get back to that. Happy to hear it runs though, that's sweet. So let's button this up and so you can see the red car doesn't have that plug on there. 2001, last time it was legally on the road anyway. So I'm stoked it runs. Figure out the fuel delivery issue. That's good news. That's great news. So CIP1's got a big fall back to school sale going on, so I'm going to order some sheet metal for the bus and the single cab and probably some other projects, 30% off a lot of stuff. So check that out if you need some parts. So that's going to do it. I'm going to go do some research on these 914s for the fuel system. Maybe I can get Josh in there and go for a ride. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Dropping in the comments section, I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great night, and we'll see you very soon. All right, take care.
Nope. I didn't do that. You didn't see that happen.
Hey guys, well, it's day 2. The next day out here on the single cab. I was able to fill in these holes. Not all of them, so I gotta do the lower corner. But pretty happy with that. Next, I just finished that, so we're gonna work on the right side. So as you probably know, we had this piece. I was gonna drill out the rivets. I haven't looked. I'm thinking you can get a lower corner. I'm going to try to save as much of this bus as possible without just, you know, getting into full corners. And so I know they make the, you know, for 20 bucks you can just get the piece to put in, and that's probably what I should do. But I have this original piece that came with the single cab, so I'm going to try and cut this out and just go ahead and use that here. So let's see how this goes.